friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I have got the best cookie recipe for you. We are making vegan oatmeal chocolate chip cookies. They are soft on the inside, crispy on the outside, so easy to make. They use really simple whole food ingredients and they're also gluten-free. So this is like one of my favorite recipes that I've come up with recently. I think that they are like the perfect cookie. They last really well, so you can like make a batch and like give them to your kids, friends, etc. And they're just so good. They're also oil-free, which I know a lot of you follow an oil-free diet, so that's really exciting, and I just can't wait for you to eat them because they're so good. So if you do want to try this recipe, as always, it is linked down in the description box for you. And before we dive in, I would love to invite you to subscribe. If you are new around here and you like healthy, delicious recipes like this, tap the red button that is right below this video that says subscribe. Otherwise, let's go ahead and get started. So we're gonna start by adding our nut butter into our bowl, and you can use any nut butter you'd like. Here I'm using a blend of cashew butter and tahini. I really like these two together, but use any nut butter you want. Then we're gonna add in a flax egg as well as some maple syrup, a little bit of coconut sugar, and some vanilla extract. And then you will beat this all together until it is smooth. And again, you can use any type of nut butter, and the reason why I like adding granulated sugar is it just adds a nice chewy texture to the cookie. From there, we're gonna add in our dry ingredients, which is quinoa flour, as well as a little bit of baking soda, a pinch of sea salt, your oats, and then you are going to mix that all together. And from there, you should start to form like a thick cookie dough. There are a lot of oats in this recipe, which I think have a really nice texture, and it gives that really like hearty texture, I guess, as you eat it. And the dough should be on the thicker side. Once you have your cookie dough, you can fold in your chocolate chips, chocolate chunks. You could also do M&Ms if you wanted. There's really any kind of mix-ins that you want. Nuts would also be delicious, but of course these are oatmeal chocolate chip cookies, so we want to use chocolate chips. And then using a cookie scoop, we are just going to scoop the cookies directly onto a parchment-lined baking sheet. This recipe makes about 15 to 16 cookies, and then you will use your hands to flatten out the cookies gently. I like to wet my hands slightly before doing this so that they're not as sticky, but basically just gently flatten them out a little bit. Then you can pop them in a 350-degree oven for about 10 minutes, and that's pretty much it. They should be nice and golden brown, crispy on the outside, chewy on the inside, studded with dark chocolate chips and oats, and they are just absolutely delicious. I like to let these cool on the pan for a couple minutes so that they set, and then I dig in and enjoy. And there you have it, my friends. That is how to make the best vegan oatmeal chocolate chip cookies on the planet. These cookies are so good. I've said that a million times throughout this video, but I swear to God, they are my favorite cookie that I have created so far. They're healthy, they're vegan, they're gluten-free, they're oil-free, they're refined sugar-free, and they don't taste like they're healthy. So that is a win in my book. I hope you guys do try this recipe. If you do, let me know what you think down in the comments. And if you do want to try it and make it and follow along, you can find the full recipe up on my blog. Everything is linked down in the description box. And if you are new around here, like I said in the beginning of the video, I would love for you to join this amazing community here on YouTube. You can tap the red button that is right below this video that says subscribe. That will subscribe you. And that's all you gotta do. Otherwise, I hope you have an awesome rest of your day. Thank you so much for being here, for tuning in, and for spending some time of your day here with me on YouTube. I appreciate it so much. I will talk to you soon, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.